Dear friends, in this video we will see how to generate literature map diagram of the references or the research papers we are using in literature review. For example, these are some references which we want to use, and in literature review along with description I want to show in diagram format. So what we will do, we will simply copy these references. Okay, so whatever references you are taking in your paper or thesis, you can copy. And now we will come to chat gpt or any other AI chatbot, and here we will write generate visual diagram of literature map. And now here I will paste the references which I have copied, and very soon we will see the references will be used to generate literature map diagram. Now you can see chat gpt generated this image, this particular literature map. Okay, and this particular literature map is based on these references. Okay, so I will click here and you can see that how much it is professional, and we will be able to use it, you will be able to download it. So you can see that this literature map is generated. Okay, so any number of references can be used, you can put in chat gpt. So this is the prompt that you have to write in chat gpt: generate visual diagram of literature map. And after that, simply copy and paste the references, list of references from your research paper or thesis. Okay, thanks to all of you. And if you need some other content, if you need video on some other topic or content, you can message me. If you have any suggestion, if you have any query, you can send your message in comment box. Thanks to all of you.